Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife Kara.
Hello.
We have another unboxing. This one is from our buddy Scott Big Boy Williams. We have no idea whatsoever. This is actually pretty exciting right now because he's excited.
He's
that
so
makes
excited.
us excited. And he hasn't told us what was in. Tell him the story, kind of what happened.
He literally just messaged us and was like, "Hey, something might come together."
Yeah.
And I was like, "Okay." And he's like, "If it comes together, I'm gonna send it to you." And
He
I was
said
like,
there's a note
"All
in there
right."
too. He
And
said,
then he's like, "Guess what?" I'm like, "What?" He's like, "It came together." And I was like, "All right." And now it's here. So.
which is so awesome because you know, you're used to sometimes people say stuff and you know it actually goes nowhere.
You're
And
like, yeah.
he always comes through. This is awesome, and we're gonna use the knife that Chris sent us to unbox this bad boy. Yeah, this is pretty exciting because we have no idea, one, what's in there, and two, just the fact that he's excited makes me excited, and it was worth not telling us, so.
I love not knowing.
Okay, first of all, we got to
He used
read
green
the
tape.
note, so this might
I wanna
take
read
us
it.
1 second. I know you do. Okay.
Okay, first of all,
Alright, here's the note.
there's the note. It says something on the side. J and K. Just kidding. No. Don't you dare start opening that.
Ooh, a
Aw,
patch!
It's a patch.
This is actually awesome because I have a hat. This would go perfect on.
There's the Benchmade hat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
It'll cover up the
there's
bench
like
right,
an
but it's badass.
AK-47
No,
or an AR.
that's an AR.
AR-15.
Yeah.
Did I know my gun?
You know your
I
gun?
knew my gun.
No.
Check it out. All right, note time. Let's see if this is readable on camera-able.
AR with the
Okay.
silencer. What?
Okay, can I read? I'll read the last part here.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna summarize this note a little bit here. Basically what it says is that Scott saw one of our other videos where I freaked out over the mini socoms. I love them. And other than that, he pretty much says that he really likes our channel and we inspire him to be interacting like really well with his wife, and that's so cool.
That is
because
awesome.
like we love our marriage, so to know that anybody else can like gain that positivity off of it, that's awesome.
To be honest, 100%, like, we don't know, and we talk about this all the time, we don't know another couple that's got a more positive or healthy relationship than me and her. We really have, like, seriously, such a healthy relationship.
Yeah.
That's why when people say things online, me and her gotta laugh at it.
We're best friends.
Yeah.
But so he said that this is a knife for me and that I can share it with Jared.
She said you must share it
It
with
literally
me.
says she can share it with you, Jared, or not.
It says you must share it
Which
with
means
Jared.
I get to unbox it.
Alright.
Because it's for me. I still don't know what it is though. He kind of like said some stuff about it, but like he didn't really say what
No,
it is.
he didn't.
Okay. Get him out.
We were surprised. We honestly thought that this was gonna be.
I thought this was a loader.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got knives all around us, sweetheart. And you want your He-Man muscles.
Get that out of the way. Please.
Uh-oh. What is that? You know what? You already know what that is, don't you? Open it up.
I can't breathe.
Baby. This is very oh my god. That Scott.
Oh,
That is
this is so nice.
awesome.
I'm actually crying.
We know what these things are worth.
Oh.
And this is insanity.
Oh my god.
It's an auto version.
I know. That's why I said this is the only autumn knife I like. That's what I was saying in the.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's so awesome.
That is so. Oh my god. I can't believe this. Scott. Oh
Okay.
my god. You are so
myself.
cool, man. This is. Oh, this is unreal.
so awesome. Oh my god.
Wow.
This is my new best friend.
That's a cool sound. That's a cool sound.
Open it.
These things are so light, and this one's got the rubber. You almost can't even feel it. It's so awesome. It's like,
I love it.
I love that stone washing. Ooh, hear that click? It's like you don't even feel the button getting pushed. It's like, and it just comes out. It's like you're wondering, like, did I push it? And it comes out. That is so awesome, Dan. They put a good edge on that.
I don't know what to say.
Wow, Scott, that is so awesome, man. I can't believe they only made and it's like, it's got like a white blade. Go show them the camera, baby. Go close. I know you want to. Show the packaging too.
I love these boxes.
I know.
Look at this box.
I got me a peach.
Yeah, you did. There's the box. It's a little knife house. With all the papers.
Yeah, I'm gonna check these out.
Here it is. Oh my god, it's so freaking awesome. Listen to this, guys. Oh wow. Oh my
god. It's got all
gosh.
the warranty information in here.
Oh. Oh my
These things are not
gosh.
cheap, guys. Let me tell you, these things are very, like,
It weighs.
it almost seems like the sky's the
You know
limit
what?
with this thing.
You know what I like about this? You know what I like about this thing, guys? I'm coming back because I need to sit and talk. You know what I like about this?
What?
This is my bug out. Because it's
Right.
so light in the best way. Like, it's like air, but
I'd
it
be
feels...
scared to use it. I mean, I
it
hate to
feels
say that
so-
because we are definitely knife
No,
users, but
I'm not afraid to use it. That might scare Scott and some other people, but I definitely am going to use it. I'm just not going to hurt it or
Yeah.
do stupid things
a
with
safe user.
it. Yeah,
safe
like
user. Because
my gentlewoman's knife.
they don't make these anymore, and this is
Oh.
really hard to get and find. Like, this is like, it's such a
But
rare
anyway,
find.
I wanted to say though, it's like so light in all the best ways, but you can tell like it's not breaking. Look how good it fits my hand!
It's like your leak.
No, I don't like the leak.
I know I do though, so
Yeah,
I'm just saying
you
that.
can have the leak. I'll
I
take
know,
this.
that's fine.
Okay.
Yep. I'm happy for you, baby.
Scott,
That's so
thank you.
awesome.
Oh, it's
Scott,
154 cm. That's awesome.
That's the way they made, I think.
I know. I like 154 cm.
Because these, they stopped in, I think, 2004. Does it say the year on it, baby?
99.
99?
That's awesome.
Wow.
I think I always
Holy
read those
cow.
wrong. That's right. March 99.
Yep. That's awesome.
So cool.
And these things come with lifetime warranty, so it's, you know, Microtech, their warranties are good. We got the service papers in there. I mean, he sent everything with it, so it's not like really, you know, if you did want to use it, what's the big deal? They'll
love
tune it up if something
it.
happens. I'm sure, I don't know exactly how deep their warranty goes with these exactly, since they don't make them no more, but I would imagine they'd have to do whatever they have to do.
I'm so
This is
at
awesome,
a
Scott.
loss for words. This video is just me silently like.
All right, we gotta hang this up so we can give you a call, Scott. Hang the camera up.
I don't want to move.
I got it. If I can
Yeah,
get
you
out.
go get it.
All right.
Oh my god, this
I'm gonna
thing.
go this way.
What just happened?
I was trying to squeeze.
What just happened?
I know, it's crazy.